Hey Mixer fans, right after Christmas I was just bebopping around the internet, minding my own business, and I saw that a retailer had KitchenAid Pro 500 HD mixers on sale for $199. And when I checked that out, you know, just because, I saw that they had this really cute matte pink color. And given the fact that I had another pink mixer that's leaking, I decided I couldn't pass this one up. So join me as we unbox a pink KitchenAid Professional 5 HD. So I'm not exactly sure 100% what the difference between this Pro 5 HD and the Pro 5 Plus is. They're both the same watts. At first I thought this one has a wide bowl like the Pro 600, and this one might have a narrow bowl, but I'm not quite sure about that because the pictures kind of look like it has the wide one, so we will see when we open that up. They both have 525 watts, and they're both 5 quarts. One thing that's interesting on that one, on the box, there was an issue because one side of the box said 9 dozen cookies, one said 13. This one says 9 on both sides. So at a minimum, they got that right on the graphics on the box. So let me grab a knife so we can get this baby open. Another mixer, right? I couldn't resist this. Because not only it was at a cheap price, I had some points on my credit card, so they had to be used, right? So there's a big sheet here that tells you all the attachments that work, additional bowls. Also gives you 25% off of purchasing attachments in the future. So one thing I was concerned about is whether or not this has burnished paddle, because I don't like those. But it has a coated dough hook here, so that's positive, and it is spiral. That's what I like. I do not like the C-shape paddle. We have an owner's manual. Yay. And oh boo!
Huh?
Can you get it out for me?
Doesn't AAA have Roadside Assistance?
I don't have AAA.
Geico, whatever. I dropped my mixer. Can you save it for me? Oh! Here, let's play tug of war, right? We played that as kids, right?
Be careful.
I got the darn thing.
Because the...
Come on, pull. Pull. Keep going. I got the mixer, boo-boo.
The paddle might fall out.
Oh, man. Grab your paddle. This paddle's not coming out here, boo-boo. Unless you go that way.
Goes that way.
Ooh, getting better. So this has a coated paddle. Yay.
Yay.
Yay. It has a burnished whip. Not yay. And it comes with a warning, hand wash only.
On what? The whip?
Washing in dishwasher will cause water whip to discolor.
Oh, the whip.
Thank you, KitchenAid. It only took you 20 years to finally warn us about that.
Okay, so this is like a desert rose color. Wow, it's greasy as I don't know what. There is a huge grease stain right here. People always warn me of the grease stains on these KitchenAids aren't coming out the factory very clean. Okay, so I do see that the bowl is pretty greasy. So I can, whoa, Okay.
Lower.
Wow. Have I ever used a mixer before? So I can confirm that the Professional HD has a bowl that's shaped like a classic Pro 500. It's deeper than the Pro 600 and it's deeper than the Professional 5 Plus. Okay, so this is the bowl on the Professional 5 Plus. It's similar to the Pro 600 in that it's wider, right? It's a wide bowl. Compared to the classic 5-quart bowl for the Pro 5, it's narrower. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's definitely narrower than this one. So that's the big difference between the Pro 5 Plus and the Professional HD. The Professional HD has a classic 5-quart Pro 500 bowl, and the Professional 5 Plus has the wide bowl that's similar to the Pro 600. I don't know what I like better. Only time will tell. So one of the things you can tell it's a new mixer is Eric cut this off for me, but the new ones come with this little band on the power cable. If this is off, that means the mixer has been plugged in and used before. So probably those end up going to the refurbished pile if you return them. So one of the things about the difference between the two, this having the traditional 5-quart bowl and that having a wide bowl, is you can really tell on the beaters. So the beaters on the wide bowl are significantly wider than the beater for the traditional bowl. And also this part here is longer. So this piece here is longer than this here, obviously because it's a deeper bowl. So the one that goes on the classic size Pro 500 is a longer neck on this beater. So this beater is a lot bigger than this, or it's wider for the wide bowl. So let me plug this baby in real quick.
The handle is shaped a little bit on your bowl lift.
Huh?
The handle on your bowl lift is narrower on the Plus than your HD. Your HD is more traditional.
This one is really greasy, I can tell you that. So let's see what this sounds like. I like.
It's quieter.
It's quieter.
It's not the metal sound.
Wow. Yeah. Let me pull this one over. I wonder if this one's not metal.
I mean, did they put a little nylon in there?
I don't know. Okay, so this is the 5 Plus. This is the HD. The 5 Plus is yeah, the 5 Plus is definitely louder. I'm not sure why that is. Could it be that one has metal gears and one has nylon? I don't think they do that in the bowl lifts. That's 10, and that's 10. officially, the Pro 5 Plus is the noisiest mixer in the KitchenAid line. It's even noisier than the Pro 600. The Professional HD kind of sounds like what I'm used to in a 5-quart mixer. It is the traditional size bowl. Not sure. I think I'm going to have to do a little bit more research on that. If you guys know anything about the difference between these two mixers, I just find it kind of interesting. They're definitely different, I would say. I really like the color of them together. I mean, the pink and the blue, it's adorable, I think. This is sort of like a dusty rose. So it's not like pink like the other one that I had, but I really like it actually. So yeah, so this is a Professional HD 5-quart. This is a Professional 5 Plus. We are going to put them on that the watt meter just to see, you know, the difference between some of these models. So that is coming up. So mixer fans, we have a new addition to the Amy Learns to Cook family. It's the Professional HD in a pink color. And we do have this. This is a newcomer as well, the Pro 5 in this blue velvet. That's what they say, but it's sort of a cornflower. So mixers, yay, right? If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media in my Facebook page at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. You can also catch me on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Yeah, that Pro 5 Plus, definitely louder.